Okay, hey you guys, what is going on? Today is a new type of video, okay? So I don't know if you heard me in my past videos where I said I'm making some changes to my channel, but this is what I was talking about when I said I was making some changes. I will have another channel coming up in 2022. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. If this is your first time coming to my channel, thank you for coming. I would like to have you, so please subscribe and tap that bell to all so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So if you are interested in knowing what is inside this package as well as another package that I have to the side that you can't see, make sure you stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Okay, and I'm going to say this ahead of time so you guys are aware. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse will be playing in the background. My son is watching it. He loves Mickey Mouse. Okay, so for today's video, I am unboxing the House of Suppliez nail subscription bag box. This is the $25 one that you pay monthly. They also have a luxe box, which is $35, I think. I'm not sure, but I will put all the information down below. So you guys, big news, I am starting my nail journey again. If you don't know, I started YouTube with doing nails. So way back in the day. So that's how I got started with YouTube. So I felt like I should continue since I am no longer doing makeup like that, talking about. But I will get back to makeup. So y'all just stay tuned and stick with me, okay? So this one is the October box, and all the information I will have down below if you guys are interested in House of Supply nail box bag, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. The other side has my address, don't need to see that. So it's already open on this side, and we are just going to pull everything out one by one. I don't know what's inside because I just opened it, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So the first thing that we have in the bag is these nail charms that look like this. Let me see what's inside. So inside we get these metal looking charms. It has some circle quilted looking things. We have some flowers. We have, looks like feathers right here. We have some crosses. We have some crowns. Let me make sure that's a crown. Some crowns. Yep, it's a crown. And we have some crescent shaped moons right here. $12.99. That's how much I paid for it. $12.99. They also have an acrylic one, a gel polish one, a vanity one, a nail art one. This is the nail art one, and they had the nail tool one. We also have this one right here in this flower shaped container. And this is what that one looks like. We have some AB hearts right here. We have some clear hearts. We have some gold hearts right here. And we have some more. Well, these are like a purple AB right here. And then these are actual AB. And then we have some black ones right here. And then we have this, I don't know what this is. Oh man, I opened it wrong. But anyway, we have this string right here. And this is just like a diamond stone type string. So that's all the stuff we have in this container here. And I'm going to organize this back later. So I'm just going to throw everything back in there and close it up. The next thing that we have is that it? Oh no. Oh no, ma'am. I think I had one more thing, but I can't remember what it was. But yeah, we have this House of Supply Professional Cuticle Oil in Strawberry. What was it? I don't remember because I think I was giving it away. But this is what that looks like. And this has 20 milliliters of liquid in it. Let me see if it smells like strawberries. smells like strawberries. So we have that for my $12.99. That was not worth it, but we have these 3 items here. I'm pretty sure it was another item. I just can't remember what it was. I don't know. But if I find it, I will show it in another video. But this is what I have so far. Okay? We also have House of Suppliez month of November. So this is this month's House of Suppliez box. Right here. So that is what that looks like. And I'm going to open it up. And so, in this package, we have, oh yes, okay. We have some Dior stickers. These are so cute. I love these. I've seen this in another previous House of Supply box like months ago. But these are blue Dior nail decal stickers. We also have something else, something big. Hold on. We have some nail tips. Let's see what these kind are. These are square tips. Well, like curved C-tips. Let's see. They're very thick too. This is what that looks like. And it's a kind of, this is C-curve. Not a full C-curve, because a full C-curve would be like this. But this is a C-curve. Nope. So, yeah. That's how that looks. So that's good, because I'm in need of some tips. And the next thing, I'm going to put this to the side. The next thing that we have, is this container right here. This is, I think that says number 3. Let's see what this is. This is acrylic powder. I didn't know they put acrylic powder in this. But this is like a nude acrylic powder. So that's good. And then we have the last thing in this bag. So I'm guessing you get 4 items in each bag. We have this right here. I was just about to buy these on AliExpress. But these are nail Zodiac sign nail art Thingamajiggies. So let me open this up if I can. And especially find my sign. So we have Sagittarius. Shout out to my Sagittarius. My Aquarius. Shout out to y'all. Geminis. Cancer. I think this one right here is an Aries. Aries. We have Taurus. Virgo. We have Virgo right here. And it's just all of them at once. Capricorns, Libra, Pisces, Leo, and Cancers. And this is Scorpio right here. So these are all the zodiac signs in here. Shout out to all my zodiacs. I don't know what this month is, but shout out to y'all Scorpios. I'm thinking it's Scorpios. Correct me if I'm wrong. But Scorpios, shout outs to y'all. Happy birthday to y'all celebrating birthdays. But yeah. So this is all the stuff that I received in October and November's House of Supply. Okay, so the thing that I lost was another one of these. It was a lavender scented one. I don't know what happened to it. I'm not sure. It might have fell on the floor or something. But I don't see it anywhere. But trust me, it was a lavender scented cuticle oil. So this is all the stuff that I received in these 2 months of House of Supply. I will put all the links down below to how you can find House of Supply and to order their nail subscription. As I said, they have the nail art, they have the nail tools, they have the gel polish, they have the acrylic powder one, and they also have a vanity one. So I hope you guys liked what you've seen here. Let me know which one of these things were your favorites, and I hope to see you in another video, hopefully when I'm doing my nails one day. I'm just gathering supplies right now before I get started in doing my whole nail journey thing. So y'all stick with me. I love y'all, and thank y'all for staying tuned. Thank you for commenting, thank you for subscribing, thank you for tapping that bell. Thank you for everything so far, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Subscribe to my channel! Subscribe. You know you want to. Hit that bell. Why won't you hit the bell? Tap the bell. Thank you.